Uh, Hello, I can get you such desk, corner desk in Mozaik along with its G codes, multiprints and patterns. So I can get you this one corner desk. Okay, this is right side. So in right hand side you can have a corner desk. I can get you some simple desk. This is a boardroom table. So big table this is. These are all fasteners with TJs. TJ and back panel lock dowel used for the fastening. I can have the fastener as per your specifications and the sheet material as per your everything as per your specification. Fastener, sheets, etc. I can get design as per your sizes, your whatever the size you prefer for these desks. This is a simple desk with a back, and back has a lock dowels. Back has lock dowels, and the side panels have TJs, and back also have a TJ. So you can see from outside it's clean. So link is given in the description. Contact me for your mosaic design requirements. Thank you.